Hey guys, welcome to Top Express Reviews. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 best cordless air duster and vacuum selected for their airflow, compact design, reusable power, and versatile attachments for precise cleaning anywhere without cords or mess. All the products mentioned are linked in the description below. Alright, let's get started. Number 1. SZUK C012A Max Vacuum. The SZUK C012A Vacuum is a versatile cordless solution designed for users who need both vacuuming and air dusting functionality in a compact handheld format. Powered by a 100-watt motor and a Li-ion battery, it delivers reliable performance for light to moderate cleaning tasks around cars, workstations, and small living spaces. One of its strongest advantages is flexibility. With more than 6 nozzles and multiple operating modes, it easily adapts to tight gaps, upholstery, keyboards, and delicate surfaces. The integrated blow-dry function further enhances its usefulness by allowing debris to be pushed out of hard-to-reach areas before vacuuming. Despite its lightweight build of under 3 kilograms, the unit includes a turbo brush and a HEPA filtration system, ensuring fine dust and allergens are effectively captured rather than redistributed into the air. The dust cup design keeps maintenance simple, although the sub-0.5-liter capacity means more frequent emptying during extended sessions. Battery life under 30 minutes positions it best for quick targeted cleanups rather than whole room tasks. Number 2. Xiaomi Mijia Vacuum. The Xiaomi Mijia Vacuum stands out for its strong engineering focus and efficient performance, making it a dependable option for both car and home cleaning. With up to 21 kPa of suction power driven by an upgraded brushless motor, it handles fine dust, crumbs, and embedded debris with confidence. The 5-stage HEPA filtration system is particularly noteworthy as it minimizes secondary pollution and ensures cleaner exhaust air, which is beneficial for enclosed spaces like car interiors. Its 2400 mAh Li-ion battery provides consistent power and supports quick emergency cleanups thanks to a 1.5-hour fast charging capability. The 150 milliliter dust cup strikes a balance between compact size and usability, reducing the need for constant emptying without adding bulk. Multiple attachments allow seamless transitions between seats, vents, dashboards, and household surfaces. While it lacks an LCD and advanced scheduling features, the Mijia Vacuum focuses on core performance, durability, and ease of use. The cordless design and ergonomic form factor make it comfortable to handle even during longer sessions.
Number 3. Baseus A5 Vacuum. The Baseus A5 Vacuum is engineered for users who want intelligent features combined with strong suction in an ultra-lightweight form. Weighing only 0.75 kilograms, it is exceptionally easy to maneuver, making it ideal for car interiors, desks, and narrow crevices. Its 12,000 PA suction power, generated by a high-speed brushless motor, delivers consistent cleaning performance for dust, sand, and debris lodged deep in seams and corners. A key differentiator is the Smart Blockage Alert system, which notifies users when filter maintenance is required, helping preserve suction efficiency and extend service life. The updated Cyclone technology further enhances airflow by separating dust effectively, reducing overheating and clogging risks. The dual AI chip design adds another layer of protection by stabilizing performance over time. Included 2-in-1 nozzles allow quick adaptation between delicate surfaces and stubborn dirt. Although compact, the Baseus A5 feels robust and well-finished, reflecting Baseus's attention to build quality. Number 4. Cafele 15,000 PA Vacuum. The Cafele 15,000 PA Vacuum is a high-performance cordless cleaning tool designed to handle demanding tasks with ease. Featuring an upgraded brushless motor capable of delivering up to 18,000 PA of suction, it excels at removing pet hair, sand, crumbs, and deeply embedded debris from car interiors and household surfaces. The dual suction modes allow users to balance power and battery efficiency depending on the task. One of its standout features is true multifunctionality. This 4-in-1 device supports vacuuming, blowing, inflating, pumping, and even includes LED lighting for low visibility areas. The inclusion of multiple nozzles, including a dedicated pet brush, makes it especially attractive for pet owners. An LCD display provides clear operational feedback, adding a premium touch rarely seen in handheld vacuums.
The HEPA filtration system ensures fine particles are effectively captured, while the bagless dust cup simplifies maintenance. Although compact and lightweight, it feels robust and purpose-built. Overall, the Cafele 15,000 PA vacuum is ideal for users seeking maximum versatility, strong suction, and feature-rich design in a single cordless air duster and vacuum solution.
Number 5. Baseus Inflator Vacuum. The Baseus Inflator Vacuum is a compact, all-in-one device designed for users who value portability and multifunction efficiency. Combining vacuum cleaning, inflating, air pumping, and wind blowing in a single cordless unit, it serves as a practical tool for car maintenance and everyday emergencies. Weighing just 438 grams, it is exceptionally lightweight and easy to store in a glove compartment or backpack. Despite its small size, the build quality feels solid, thanks to durable ABS and PC materials. The cordless design and integrated battery eliminate the need for external power sources, enhancing convenience on the road. Its multifunction nature makes it suitable for cleaning car interiors, inflating tires or sports equipment, and clearing dust from tight spaces. While it is not intended for heavy-duty or extended cleaning sessions, it performs reliably for quick tasks and spot cleaning. Certified by FCC, CE, and ROH standards, it meets essential safety and quality benchmarks. Overall, the Baseus Inflator Vacuum is best suited for users seeking a highly portable, space-saving device that delivers multiple practical functions without the bulk of traditional vacuum cleaners. And that wraps up the top 5 best cordless air duster and vacuum. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Top Express Reviews, and turn on notifications so you never miss new content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.